Kan hep gitti milletten.
In South Africa, search and rescue operations continue after devastating floods caused by an extreme cold front that hit the southeastern part of the country starting on June 9th. As of June 14th, the death toll has risen to 86 people, and authorities expect it may increase. In the Eastern Cape province, heavy rains caused rivers to overflow and flood residential areas. The city of Mthatha and its surroundings were especially affected, where early in the morning water levels rose by 3 to 4 meters. Floodwaters swept away houses and cars. People were trapped on rooftops and even in trees, while many died in their sleep, unable to leave their homes. A tragic event also occurred in the area of Dekoliny, near Mthatha, where floodwaters swept away a minibus carrying schoolchildren. Of the 13 passengers, only 3 survived. Rescue efforts in the first hours were complicated by a severe shortage of resources. The region had only 1 helicopter, and there were no divers or canine units available. A second helicopter had to be flown in from another city. In addition to heavy rains, the Eastern Cape and neighboring KwaZulu-Natal province experienced heavy snowfall and gale-force winds.
Now this is the M3 highway.
In some areas, the snow depth reached nearly 12 inches, causing roads to become blocked and hundreds of trucks to get stuck on the highways. Power outages affected nearly 500,000 homes. More than 1,000 people were left homeless due to the destructive weather. At least 127 schools, 20 medical facilities, and hundreds of houses were destroyed or seriously damaged. Several major highways were closed, and snow removal equipment operated around the clock on the most dangerous sections. Such a powerful combination of floods, snowfall, and hurricane-force winds is an abnormal phenomenon for the region and is considered a rare climatic event. Natural disasters are becoming stronger and more frequent, affecting the entire world. To understand what is happening and prepare for upcoming changes, we recommend watching the video message from Dr. Egan Chalakian. He explains the situation in detail and, most importantly, offers a solution on how to stop these dangerous processes.